Learn how to benefit from using email marketing. With the popularity of the internet, it is no wonder why email marketing has become one of the most popular ways for a company to market their product. Perhaps you have heard of this technique, but you do not know to use it. That's okay, you are in luck. The following video will tell you what you need to know about email marketing. To make sure your emails don't turn people off, always seek permission before sending them out. Include a subscription button on your site, and encourage regular customers to have their friends sign up as well. If you'd like to give people some extra encouragement to subscribe, you could feature subscriber-only deals. If you have a client who has a birthday, make sure that you send a follow-up email that includes a happy birthday message on it. Include a request on the email that tells this person to go to a particular place. The ending can include a link that tells him or her that it is possible to become a subscriber by clicking on it. If you buy a list of emails to send to, check and make sure it is up to date. Sometimes lists for sale might match your target demographics but be woefully out of date. The number of addresses now defunct can be as high as 25% of the overall list. Include special offers and promotions available only to recipients of your emails. This form of email marketing not only gives your readers a real value for their participation, but also encourages them to refer friends. Referral programs can be beneficial if you wish to increase the amount of readers that could become customers. Maximize the results of your email marketing by encouraging your readers to respond to every email. Always read and reply to these emails immediately. Building a personal relationship with each of your readers is the best way to convert them into loyal customers. This is also a good way to get more specific feedback on the success of your efforts. To get the best results from your email marketing campaign, test your messages thoroughly before you send them. Do not just type up a quick message and blast it out to your subscriber list without checking it carefully first. Preview it in different email programs and on different platforms to make sure it will display properly for everyone. In conclusion, email marketing has become a favorable way to market a product, mainly due to the internet's popularity. Now you know the most important aspects of email marketing. By using these tips properly, you will not only become successful at email marketing, but you will find an increase in business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.